Hello and welcome to Full of Food. These 2 tomato pizza bagels loaded with mozzarella cheese and olives are so tasty you'll want to eat them all. Made in the air fryer, they take under 10 minutes from start to finish. So ingredients, let's start. Grab yourself a couple of plain bagels and then some tomato puree, that's our first tomato, some freshly ground black pepper, got some mixed herbs or Italian seasoning here. I've got pre-grated mozzarella, but you could easily use fresh. And then I've got some lovely olives here and a sun-dried tomato. So 2 tomatoes, 2 types of tomatoes. So simple. Like I said, this is under 10 minutes. So grab your bagels, slice them in half. Next thing, just pop some of that lovely tomato puree on. That's going to just cover those lovely bagels, make them nice and soft. So spread that round till they're all covered. Get some of your mixed herbs or Italian seasoning and put that all over. Nice crack of black pepper. And then we're just going to take our olives. I find it's easy to just chop them using some scissors. So put your mozzarella on and then get your olives and those lovely sun-dried tomatoes. That really gives this a really rich Italian taste. I like to put mozzarella on the top after I've put my olives and sun-dried tomatoes on, just makes it a little bit more gooey. Pop them into the air fryer and then we're just going to air fry for 5 minutes at 200 degrees. And then 5 minutes later you're going to end up with these beauties. There they are, golden, gooey, crispy. You don't need to flip these over, you just pop them in as they are and then perfect. All that mozzarella's gone golden brown. Put a little bit of a garnish on there and there you have it, these 2 tomato pizza bagels ready in under 10 minutes. Can't think of anything nicer.